I'm gonna try to start it normally, and the brakes are on. I don't need to sit on it since my brakes are on, so it'll be okay. So when I get to start it, whether I'm sitting on it or I'm not sitting on it, it just does not start, as I'm going to show you just now. It just clicks. And well, if you want me to sit on it, show you, it'll click the same way. So now to test it, I'm gonna take, if you have gloves, it's okay. I'm gonna take a screwdriver with a rubber so you don't shock yourself, which would not be good. And I'm gonna first, I'm gonna put it on the terminal that goes to the engine, the flywheel, the starter. And this is the one that goes to the battery. So I'm gonna try, this is the starter solenoid, which connects the two when you start the key. So I'm gonna take my screwdriver and connect them, bypass them, and we'll see if it starts, which could be your problem. So what happens is you connect it between the two, which makes a connection between. So now we know that this is bad right here. So I hope this is what you have at home, and maybe you can fix it.